Oh, magical land. It's a faraway place.
Kalbo. Asa na kalbo? Gimingan ako nimo.
So, today, guys, nata diri sa Ramon Duterte. Karon nga mga interview tag mga bata nga akong gusto. Kani. Pego, kani. Ali ba? Oy, interview, oy. Interview. Ay, ikaw na lang, ay. Kaning this fine handsome gentleman. This Okay, so we have another one. This is my crush. Fun little young lady.
Mame Jopeta.
What the hell?
She's my best friend.
Uy.
Tanungin mo.
So, what is your name?
My name is Mame Jopeta.
How many is your age?
She's joking.
We have another fine young gentleman. This is my friend, yeah? What's your name?
I like turtles.
So we got another fine young gentleman right here. This is my brother. What's your name?
James.
How many is your old?
16.
He's 16. He's for free for 24 hours. His number is 0923456710. So let's go to the right here. This is my auntie. So what is your name?
My name is Ashley May Pipito, and I'm the aunt of Salcedo here. Yes.
Hey, let's go. Let's go. Find another young gentleman. Oh, here, another one. This is my good friend, yeah. What is your name? Your
My
name?
name is Tanhay Lovely.
How many is your age?
17 years.
He's 17 years old.
I want to interview the interviewer. Kiss or slap?
Oh, room.
Cameraman always tell.
Smash or pass? Pass.
So, okay, let's go downstairs and interview some young gentlemen. So today we are in our moon, 30. We're gonna go to our school and interview some fine gentlemen, yeah? Let's go to the second floor. Yeah. Very cute, very handsome, yes. As you can see, our school is very good, yeah, very clean. Look at this, very dark. Yeah, so big. We got a lot of children and minors. I really like them. So this is our school, very lively, yeah, very lively. I don't like it. Oh, let's interview him. What is your name?
My name is Justin Mateo Dick.
How many is your age?
1 pesos.
Oh my God, what is your grades?
1 billion.
Oh my God, he's so rich. I like him. He's very good. You can go now. Thank you very much. Our school is very lively. Yeah. Oh, we got a fine gentleman. What is your name?
Rosagaran.
How many is your age? Where you going?
12.
He's 12 years old and he's very short. I like him.
Okay.
Yes. You can go now.
Thank you.
Yes. Arigato gozaimasu. Oh, he's also Japanese. I like him. Very good. Another fine young lady. Let's interview. Oi, come over here, lady. Sorry. Oh, we got our friend here. Yeah. This is my very good friend. He's so very handsome. So what is your name, friend?
Skabar.
He's Akbar. How many is your ages?
I think it's 69.
Oh, he's 69, yes. What do you think about this school?
It's very good and precious, yeah.
What is your sports?
Sports, my sports is like volleyball.
Look at the volleyball. He's very good at volleyball.
Otherwise basketball,
Yes.
yeah.
How is your body?
My body is good.
Yes, his body is good. What is your eating?
My eating is I'm very carnivorous
He's very carnivorous. Why do you don't eat sagbut?
because it's very yuck.
Yes, very correct. I love you, my friend.
Yes, go.
We are going to
I
interview
love you
more. Thank you. Mama chup chup. Let's go. In here we have the covered court. Very good, yeah. Very clean. And here are some more people. I don't like to interview them because they look bad. They look bad, boss. Oh, we are not allowed to go in the covered court. Very bad. Let's explore to the canteen. Let's go. We got here a very good van, yeah. Very clean. There are a lot of people. People are having a lot of fun. Very many sports. You can play a lot of sports here. So here we have a canteen, yeah, very good canteen. Yeah, a lot of buy stuff in here, a lot of stuff, yeah. Some school supplies and some foods. We actually have 2 canteens around here, so let's go. A lot of people in here, yeah. Very many people. This place is so hot in here. I don't like to go inside, but you can. But my favorite thing in here is a burger. No meat, only buns. Oh, look at that fine lady. So here you can buy water in here and a lot of stuffs. You can buy juice. You can buy tempura if you know what tempura is. And here is my favorite, the hambaja. Yes, only buns. And there is the fine young ice cream vending machine. I don't know if it's a vending machine. We like here a lot of bad boys. Yeah. My God, this is my friend here, and this is my other friend. Let's interview her. So she is a garbage woman. Oh. she is yeah.
I'm a collector.
So what is your name, my friend?
My name is Mia Khalifa.
Do her? She is popular. Yeah, I like her very much. How many is your age? Stop laughing.
39.
She's 39. Wow, very old, and very short, and very skinny. She can fly also. She can go with the wind. And this is my other friend. Hi, Miss. Miss, what is your name? Miss. I know your husband is my friend. So
My name is Lexi Laura.
she's Lexoloa. She's very good at hambajas with no buns. How many is your age? Stop laughing, friend. Stop with that trash. It's very hot in here. Let's go outside. Exploring in the world. The air cons are very hot. I'm sweating so much. Yes, and we got another friend right here. Yeah, so this is the Ramon Duterte. Look up there. So many children are like my nose. Ramon is a very good place. Yeah, a lot of bullies. I mean a lot of good guys, and this place is very very lively when it's around recess and lunch. Yeah. Yeah, look at this fine gentleman. Very handsome. Yeah. So let's go, lad. So there's the gate. Our guards are very strict, very strict. I wanna take them down. So we're going to the second, what do you call it again? Eating place, yeah, canteen place. Let's go to the canteen. This canteen is very lively when it's around lunchtime, but not much people in here because I don't know. Around here is grade 7 and grade 8. This place is, I like to go in this place because a lot of minors in here. Look at this, fine gentlemen. Yes. This is our second canteen. We got there a lot of foods and a lot of stuff you can buy. This is where the biscuits and the drinks you wanna buy. Yeah. Tell you, their foods are really bad, and the prices are like gold. Yeah. I lost my ID. Let's go back. Let's go this way because minus. Yeah. So this around here is like, I think this around here is grade 9 and that is grade 8 and grade 7. Yeah, look at these people around here. They're playing. Look at the fun. Shout out. What's your name? What's your name? Oh, shout out to him. Very handsome. A lot of handsome people in here and pretty guys. Yes. Yes. We have another. Why are they running? Why are they running? Why are they running?
Because he's scared na mo kita sa salay.
Oh, don't be scared. I'm only here to show around, showcase the school. Yeah.
Sige, bye!
Hi, my name is Maria.
How many is your age?
12.
She's 12. She said she was 12. She said she wanna shout out her mom and dad.
Hi, vlog.
Hi, you guys.
As you can see, this place is very lively. A lot of people in here.
Can I speak my name?
Look at a lot of people up there. Look at them. Yeah, look at them. Yeah, very lively place. Very crowded, and I hate it. So let's go. Let's move on. I think I'm very popular now. Look at him. Yeah, look at him. You, what's your name?
I'm General.
How's many your age?
Huh?
Brother lagi para di
Your age? Your age?
13.
You're 13. What grade are you?
Grade 8.
It's grade 8. Why do you look like you're 16?
Because I'm older than you.
Oh, he older than me. Respect, 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 respect you ka. What is your name?
Juan. Ay, Saki bro, magod.
How many is your age?
15 years old.
He's 15. He doesn't look like 15. He's so young. What's your secret being young? He doesn't understand English.
Bisaya ikaw, be. Bisaya ikaw.
I don't speak Bisaya. I only speak Japanese.
Sample, sample, sample.
私、エリアジュマルサラジです。Unda Osaki. I don't know what he's talking about. Don't understand them. What is your name?
Jail Ronido.
How many is your age?
13.
You look like my classmate. Very handsome. I like him. Respect, respect.
She's addict.
Oh, he's addict. I like him more. I like addicts. I like addicts. He's very good. So let's go to this place. As you can see, this place is very lively. So many people, and I'm sweating so much. It's very hot. I think around here is a restroom area. And we have here, what grade is this? Oh, let's have this young fine lady. Excuse me, miss. What grade is this? 8. 8, this is 8. Oh. Showing around the school. We're showing around the school. Yeah. Not really. Yes. I'm just showing around the school. Very. Oh, Johnny Sins. Oh my God. Johnny Sins. Idol. Johnny Sins. Oh my God. Very big fan, man. Very big fan. I like Johnny Sins. He good guy. Shout out to you all. Grade 8 people. Go around. Bye-bye. Another grade 8 building. Around there is offices. Around there is office. Look at the fine ladies, they're dancing. Well, I don't care. Interview? Interview, is this interview? Why are you running? I'm not gonna eat you. Oh god, gays. So we have here the offices. This is the offices. I think this is some offices. Oh yes, this is LG headquarters. One time I was here, was in trouble. Yeah, I was in trouble because I didn't pass thing that I should pass. This is the covered court. It's locked down. I wanna go in the covered court. Yes, and this is the science classroom, right? Yeah, the science classroom is very a lot of smart people. And this is the Boy Scout headquarters. Yeah, Boy Scout headquarters. And this is what do you call this? The TV, not the TVL, the ano sa ito, kanang ako eh? Ha? Not, dili John. Shut up. Tili, yeah, this is the TLE where some, don't know, some electric boys there and some cookery females. And this is this is the grade 10 building right here. See, some kids are following me. I don't know why. Maybe I'm too attractive. So this is the grade 10 building right here. So as you can see, this place is very lively. And this is the another TLE room. Yes. This school is not that big. This school is not that big, but very lively. This is my TLE room. This is the ACT. Yeah. Oh, we should go here. Let's go. So we're going back to the senior high building. Oh, a band. I want to be in the band one day. So here in Ramon, it's very fun and very lively. But one thing is, I had this person that I really hate. This one guy I really hate. I hate him so much. But still, this school is very lively. Look at my friend there. He's playing volleyball very good. I praise him. My idol. What's your name?
Ablo.
Oh. Let's go here. Nagduwa.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. And
What's your name?
Jules.
Well, how many is your age?
30.
30. Oh, he looked very young. So let's go back to our classroom. Maybe everyone went home now. What time is it?
30.
We're going. Huge shout out to our cameraman. Show yourself. Mysterious man. Yeah, very handsome. So let's go back to the 4th floor where our room is. Yes, where the vlog begins. So let's go upstairs. Because I really miss my friends. Yes, I will. Let's interview that one guy that I really love to hang out. Because he's so funny. I really like him. Yes. Really love that guy. Very respectful. As you can see, it's very tiring. Oh, everyone is almost done. Look at that. We just wasted their time. That's what I like. Where are we going? Huh?
They're going. Hello.